Hello? 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 Can you hear me now? Labster, can you hear me? Ah! It must have just been... It must have just been because I restarted my computer that it just took a second to register. So, okay. That's kind of weird. I guess I will recap what I was saying because nobody was able to hear me. I restarted my computer after I installed Git, and then I was able to log in, and it was able to install a version of Tin directly from GitHub. So right now I'm just updating the changes I made. That creates a local directory for Tin packages. And now I'm having issues with... Hold on. What is going on? It's not letting me commit. This is very strange. I might just do this the old-fashioned way with git bash. Git add git commit message now installs in local directory. I don't know what that is. Fatal mmap failed. Map failed. Invalid argument. Oh, are you kidding me? It has to do with one... Oh. Well, that's dumb. It has to do with my OneDrive. I paused my OneDrive syncing because it was trying to sync a ton of photos and my upload speed went to crap. I am going to say always keep on this device and pause the syncing. There you go. Let's try that again. This is just Windows things, I guess. I would like to get like a dual boot for Linux to test this on Linux as well. But I'm just used to Windows. That's how I learned programming. I'm not a true programmer though because I don't use Linux. I don't use Arch Linux. That's what some people would say, at least. Alright, let's see if GitHub Desktop works now. So, let's see. Installs in local directory now. Okay, there we go. I'm going to rename this branch. Okay. I'm going to go to GitHub here. Tin 2 branches. Renaming this 0.2. There we go. Because I just misnamed that. I think I'm good to... Oh, I need to update the README, and then I should be good. So I'm just going to do that here on GitHub, because I have a nice preview. And first install, download latest release, extract the files, and run package index.tcl. Once installed, upgrading to this easy. There we go. Add in a package. Cool. I guess I will also put little quotes around this. I would say install git might be good. Oh. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Additionally, first install. Run package index.tcl and install git. Once tin and git are installed, upgrading tin. I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna say upgrading tin is easy. All right, added directions to install git. Maybe I should provide a link to that as well. Install git. Yeah. I'll add a link here. It's going to have a lot of README commits here, but that's okay. I'll just do git, and then, oh, there we go, install git, put that right there. Run package index in a Tcl interpreter. Oh, not package index, package install. Jeez. Note, if on Linux, you may need to use, I guess, Lamster, do you know if there's a way to do like an administrative install from Windows? I know on Linux you do like sudo and then the program name. In my case with Tcl, there's ActiveTcl, which is a distribution of Tcl. Maybe I should also do that, like Windows instructions or something. I think that should be enough for now. I think it's fine. Usually start the shell as administrator if I need to, yeah. Okay. I think this should work. Yeah. Yeah, this will make it so that you only have to run shell as administrator just once to install tin, and then after that you don't have to run as administrator, so it's a little bit safer. Alright. I'm gonna double check everything in here, make sure everything looks good. Tin PDF. I almost don't want this thing in the documentation because it's in the README. I'm gonna remove that actually from the documentation. And I'll just clean it up. Documentation is just to know what the commands do. Save. Let's run that. All right. There we go. I think it's good. Oh, looks like it's just you, Lampster. Removed redundant documentation. Fetch. I'll create a pull request now. Version 0.2 installs in local directory. Merge pull request, merge. All right. And then delete the branch. In fetch pull. All right, so if I check the README here, make sure everything's there. Yep. All right. Now I'm going to create a release. Create another release here. 0.2. Version 0.2. Create a new tag. Publish. All right. So now, let's say if I had I'm just going to open up the test file here. Tin test. This should install from GitHub version 0.2 now. There we go, it worked. Okay, cool. So now I have that done. Now I'm going to work on doing the same thing for my package called wob. That's one of my most base ones. Let's see here, wob. I'm going to create a tinstall file for wob. So new text document tinstall.tcl. And this is going to be, let's see, I want to save the, I wanted to put the README and the license and package index and wob in there. So I'm going to say file copy, file join, source README.md to directory. And do this a bunch of times. And then this is going to be license. And then this one is going to be wob.tickle. And this is going to be package index.tickle. And lastly, I'm going to say tin provide wob. And right now, I think I'm on version. Oh, come on. Okay, I need to resume syncing here for a quick second. Hopefully this will be taken care of later. Oh, come on. What is wrong with this? I don't like OneDrive. I like it, but I don't like it at the same time. It's super annoying. Okay, it's there. I'm just concerned that I'm going to be dropping frames. I'm dropping frames. Can't... Pause. I do not like OneDrive. How it's... Why is it trying to upload all of my files right now? It's trying to upload gigabytes of data. I wish I could slow it down or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of bad. Yeah. I do appreciate that I can have my files on both my laptop and my PC, but it's a little bit annoying. Let's see if I can even open these other files. Well, let me open it. Always keep on this device. All right. Resume. Jeez. It's like my files are held hostage. Okay, so we have file wob version 0.2. I also need to do this. Always keep on this device. Why? Okay. For modifying network rates. For OneDrive? Oh, why can't I open this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh my. I should really just have this on my hard drive directly, honestly. Because like I have it on GitHub, so there's no reason for me to have it on OneDrive as well. I don't know, I'm still figuring out this whole system because I just got this computer, so I'll work from this for now, but in the future I'll have it on my local drive. Okay, let's run this. Widget objects 2. Nothing really changed with the actual. Yeah, nothing has actually changed with the actual commands here. Nothing. So don't really have to worry about that at all. 0.2 for the tinstall file. So this is how easy it is to create a tinstall file. I almost think that I should just release it with just a patch, honestly, actually. I should just do that because nothing actually changed with the package. It's just different how you install it. So let's do that instead. 0.1, so I keep that there. Oop. Shoot. Let's run this again, make sure nothing changed. Yeah. Okay. The tinstall file, the package index file, and the file itself, they all agree. Okay. Add existing repository. Blob. Okay. Sure. I guess I added tests. Alright, 10 compatible. Wob is now 10 compatible. Before I commit that, I'm going to test to make sure it is. So if I go here and if I open the folder there and I go tickle sh, package require 10, extract wob. There we go. Now I have wob. So then if I did tin import wob, interesting. Why wob? Oh, no, this is fascinating. Finding a little bit of a bug. Because that should work. Why did that not work? Hold on. Let's see here. Tin import. So it got the package, and there's no requirements. So I did tin require. And then tin require, it just does tin depend with the package and the arguments. Okay, let's check this out here. So package forget what? Versions wob. Did all the version numbers get changed back? Oh, in wob? Yeah, they did. I think I know what's going on here. Is that someone had mentioned in the before I restarted my computer something about package unknown. Maybe it's the Tcl package unknown. I think I need to run the Tcl tm unknown handler. Tm unknown handler. This is something that's not really well documented. Maybe it's this one. Hey! I learned something new. I gotta look this up, actually. Alrighty. When package require fails, Tcl package unknown, the default handler for unknown packages scans directories and immediate subdirectories and autopaths, sources any of those things. Okay. Yeah. Obsolete bugs. No, I don't need that. Okay, so I'm gonna make a change actually to 10 here, because that clearly doesn't work here. I think maybe I need to do it here and extract. I think that's what I need to do. Yeah, okay. So then I'm gonna do package unknown, or Tcl package unknown, and then do package. And I wonder if it chooses Tcl package unknown wob 2.0. Alright, package forget wob. I'm going to try looking for wob 1.0. Oops, wrong one. still finds it. I don't really know what the deal is then. Let's see. Huh. I wonder if this... I don't think it's a procedure. It could be. Info body tickle package unknown. Oh, it is. Okay, it's a procedure. Let's see here. Global autopath. Info args name args. Okay. So where does it use args then? I'm going to copy this and put it into tickle here. Language, tickle, args. Okay, args doesn't mean anything at all. Name. Hold on. Is it not even... It doesn't even look for... a specific package. I don't even think it even uses that input argument. Because the arguments for tickle package are known as name and args. And in here, there is no $name. I think it just checks everything. So I don't know what the purpose is of that input argument. That must be like a kind of like a leftover from when maybe it did look for a specific package. So I guess I'm just going to do like just blank here. Tickle package unknown. Maybe I'll leave an Easter egg. Hello world. Why not? That should work. Reloads the packages. Okay. Yeah, so this way, when you install a package, it will then make it available. So, makes sense. And then that will make sure that, like, tin depend can find it. Tin depend is basically it's like lazy loading / installation of packages. If it doesn't actually load the package, it just verifies that it's installed. And this can be used within tinstall files to make sure that that package is available. So reloads the packages. Alright, so I'm going to update tin. Now we're going to be 2.1. I think that's everything. Package index, tin.tcl, and the tinstall file. It's really the only files you need to update. The package file itself, the package index, and the tinstall. Okay, let's update that. Well, first I'm going to run that, so I'm going to open up the package install file here, and then I'm just going to run this. Invalid command. Oh, I misspelled it. Oh, good thing I didn't finish it. Okay, the package is capitalized. Package install, run So now if I go to 10, I should have 10 0.2.1 installed. So now let's try installing wob. No. Okay. File, open containing folder in CMD. Let's do pickle.sh, package require 10, or at 0.2.1, 10 install, not 10 install, 10 extract, wob, 0.1.1, perfect. So now if I then do 10 import wob, it works. So now I can like use the widget command, like widget new, or set w widget new, and then main loop, and now I'm in an interactive environment where I can manipulate widgets. So this widget is empty right now. So not really much to look at, much to sneeze at here, but it does work. So now I can immediately use the package. Now the extract only extracts it; it doesn't actually load the package. So you'd have to load it. You can either load it with like require or like package require, or you can use like 10 import, stuff like that. So all right, so looks like wob works. So let's update that. I'll update 10 as well. So bug fix reloads package index files after extract. Commit to main. Oh, I probably shouldn't commit to main. Let's do undo. A new branch. Let's call it 0.2.1. Bring changes there. Publish. Commit. Push. Create pull request. So package index is changed. 10's changed. That's all changed. Create pull request. Merge. Confirm merge. Delete it. Alright. Main. Delete. Oops. Delete. I thought it's already deleted. Oh. There we go. Okay. 10. Let's create another release. Version 0.2.1. Generate release notes. I'll just take buttons. Okay, version 0.2.1. Create new tag. Publish release. Wonderful. Okay. So now that one is done there. Now let's say if I go into C, I should save this to any quick access. There we go. So now I can access 10 really quick here. If I, for example, completely eliminated these right here. I don't need these. I can just uninstall them by just deleting those folders. As long as I don't install tin. Tin needs to be there because tin handles everything. So now, if I opened up tickle.sh, and if I did package require tin, I did tin install wob. Oh, it's not found with the tin yet. Okay. So, looks like I need to do another patch. I'm just cranking them out. I mean, it's on a private one, so it doesn't really matter. But maybe I shouldn't make as many releases. But whatever. I'm going to show how you can do it without doing that. So it's not added to the actual tin yet, but actually this is good. I shouldn't add it until I test it, honestly. Package require, yes, exactly, that's what I'm about to do. Thanks. Package require 10. So if I do tin install wob, it's not in the tin. Okay, because if I do tin packages, it's just the only ones available, which I think I'm going to change. I'm going to change this because now that you actually have a local directory, you'll be able to see like which ones are installed or something like that. So that's going to be like tin 0.3, and I'm going to add a couple other features like the -exact keyword for importing and stuff like that, which exists in the package commands for Tickle, but I haven't added it yet. So, but if I do tin add wob and then I do github.com/ambaker1. Oh, actually, I should just have this be with the GitHub thing like added. Like you don't have to add the whole URL. Because I think I'm just going to use Git for this. I don't see why I would use anything else. I think it would be reasonable to do that. I don't know, what do you think, Lamster? Alright, I've added it, so if I do tin packages now, wob is there. So now if I do tin install wob, did I do a release of wob? Hold on. I maybe didn't even release wob. I didn't release wob yet. Yeah. I don't think I even committed those changes. Hold on. Ah, there we go. Okay, okay. New branch. Okay, yeah. I think I'll keep that there. Do you think that the tin, when you do tin add, do you think you should do the URL? It does sound like more code. I agree. Okay, I'm just gonna do the full URL. It'll make things pretty clear to people. tin compatible create branch. Switch branch. Okay. Made tin compatible and added test. Publish. Create pull request. Tin compatible. Merge pull request, confirm merge. Okay. Draft a new release. 10 compatible. Compatibility update. I should probably make this public now. I'm not gonna wait. Hold on. Did I update the README for Wob? I don't think I did. Yeah. Okay. It's not ready to be. It's not ready to be released. I'm gonna release 10 right now. I think it's. Lampster, do you think that 10 is ready for a public release? For just like developmental release? I think it is. I don't know. You've been helping me with this a little bit. I don't want to make a release on a public repository that's talking about 10 compatible when they don't know what 10 is. I mean, I can also like make it 10 compatible and then just shrug. I think I am going to do that. Let's see here. Hold on, I'm gonna do something really quick. Settings. Failed to approve the request. What? Okay. Remove. Okay. General. Change to public. Make repository public. Alright, 10 is public now. So there it is. We got version 0.2.1. Say draft. We're gonna go 10 compatible. Edit this. I was already working on a README for another package I have, which will be the next one that I do. Oh, I can't open this because of the stupid. Always keep on this device. Okay. Let's see here. 10. Okay, yeah. Installation. I'm gonna copy this over here. Where's README for Wob? Here we go. Boom. Wob is a 10 package. Alright, after installing 10, simply include the following to install Wob. Wob is a 10 package. Install Wob. will install wob and all dependent tin packages. Once wob is installed, use the following code. Wob. Alternatively, the tin package can be used to import the commands. I think that's good. Push. Okay. One wob. Tin compatible. Oh, that doesn't work. This needs to be parentheses, not quotes. Or not, This package is a tin package. After installing tin, simply include the following in your script to install wob. Or I should say this a little bit differently, I think. Because what I could do is I can provide a package install file within. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. File. Save as package or package install.tcl. Package require tin extract wob, just like that. Simply run package install.tcl, and this will install wob and all dependent tin packages. And all dependent packages. I can even just do like that. Simply run package install. To install wob and all dependent packages. Yeah, this is a pretty cookie cutter language. And then say done. I could even, I don't know. The weird thing about this is that you can run the package install.tcl file, but like all that does is just like, I mean the whole point of tin is that you don't even have to, no, I'm not going to say this, to install I'm going to zoom in here. After installing tin, run the following code in a Tcl Tcl package require tin install wob. I think that's good. Run the following Tcl code to install wob. All right. Well, all right. So now I need to, before making wob, before releasing the tin compatible version of wob, I need to add it to this. Now this is kind of like a chicken and egg sort of situation, because if I add it to the text list, I mean, if I do it in short succession, then it's fine. Just thinking. I think if I add it to wob first, then that'll be fine. But at the same time, no, it needs, yeah, I need to release the tin compatible on wob first before I can do it, add it to the like verified list for tin. Getting a little tired. I want to at least get the I want to at least get this working for at least 10. I think I will also want to do it for TDA, because TDA requires wob, so then I can put that dependency in there. I'm kind of like having like a chicken and the egg sort of situation right now that I'm trying to address. Do I even have anyone watching? Oh yeah, I got. Okay, I think I got one person still on here. I think what I should do is I could say like wob was added to tin. Like if I change this here to do package require tin, and then I go tin add wob https github.com/ambaker1/wob. Then that's correct. Like, that will work without tin having wob yet. I think that's what I have to do. And then later on, if wob gets added to tin.txt, yeah, then technically to update the installed directions of the packages. Yeah, I think that's the right way to go with it. To start out by saying, hey, use tin add, and then if it gets added to the actual wob like approved list, then you can update the README basically. All right. I don't even need my headphones on. I'm not even listening to anything. That's a little bit better. Well, it's weird. All right, cool. Pull request, new pull request. Huh, what's going on here? I think additionally, having in the README file not only like running it directly from the command line, but also like either clone the directory and run package install, or do this. I think that would be the best way to do it. So let me just sort things out here really quick though. Push fetch first, pull, push. Okay. Close out of that. Create pull request. But not yet. I want to also go back to... I merged a pull request? Oh, I guess I already did. I'm going to merge another pull request, I guess. Let's see. Either clone the repository and run package install.tcl, or simply run the following technical code to install wob. Or actually not clone the repository, either download the latest release and run package install, or simply run the following technical code to install wob. I think that's a good general, like if you're making a tin package, this is like some good boilerplate installation instructions for your like a README. And that's the beauty of this, is that you don't have to like have complicated instructions for installation. You just have a very simple template to write things. Like here, the package install file is simply package require tin extract wob. That's it. And that doesn't change. And then the tin install file, you just say which files you want to copy, and then you just say what version it is. That's it. So the tin package handles all of the like package installation and importing and requiring and dependencies all for you automatically. So, alright, so I'm going to create a pull request. README updates. Documentation updates and package install file. So I think I added the package install file. Yeah. Merge the pull request. Fetch. Pull. Main. Fetch. Okay, we're good. Delete the branch. Delete. Fetch. Good. Alright. Now I'm going to go and create a release. Go to the draft here. Tag. I'm going to go version 0.1.1. Tin compatibility update. Target main. Publish. So there's a couple ways. Obviously, you can install it by downloading the zip folder, show in folder, extract all, and then you can just inside here run the package install file. So I would just like double click this. Oh, interesting. Hold on. Oops. That's a error on my part. I may change that. I need to delete that file. It's not a big deal, but at the same time, I think I'm going to delete that release. I know I just released it. Just the documentation is a little bit screwed up. I guess it's fine. It's just the version number here is a little bit off. It doesn't actually change the actual commands, so I think this is fine. I'm sure I'll come up with another edit or something later and release another version. I think in the package, in the tinstall file, it's not even gonna, yeah, it doesn't even copy the PDF over, so you're gonna have to go to the documentation will just be on the GitHub repository anyways. So I will delete that from here though, and delete that. And I'm just gonna say, there we go, push origin, and then I think I'm also going to change the gitignore file here to like that, and then I'm going to open up the README. Oof, what happened here? I thought I just pulled that. Something's a little funky. Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Full doc slash wob.pdf. Okay. Documentation, link. Okay, now the PDF is in the doc folder, and this is right here, full documentation here. There we go. Version 0.1. Beautiful. Okay. So now let's check to see if this works. In 10, I only have that, so if I just open up TickleSH now, and I go, if I just copy this code right here, paste anyway, and installed Wob, just like that. So now I have access to Wob directly from GitHub without having to do without even having to go to GitHub. You just have to have a GitHub account and Git, and then install tin by just running package install. So yeah, and now it's located right here in tin, in the folder under my username. So pretty nifty. Okay. So Wob is done now. Wob is a tin package. Let's make TDA a tin package now. Okay. Existing repository. Choose GitHub TDA. Select folder. Does not appear to be a. Oh, this has to do with my whole OneDrive thing again. This would not be an issue except for that it was causing bandwidth problems. So I paused OneDrive for a second. I just need to say always keep on this device. And let it sync for a little bit. Make sure that everything in here is working. Let's try it now. Oh boy, this is fun. I do not like OneDrive. That's really annoying. I guess I have to let it sync for a little bit, and I'm going to take a little bit of a break here, and I'll come back. Actually, you know what? Even better. I think now is probably just a good time to end the stream. I've been going for an hour and change here. But yeah, tin is now available. and Wob is one of the packages that you can use. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you're here, I don't know who's here right now. Yeah, one streamer or one viewer. I think it's Lampster. Thanks for tuning in, man. So, all right, have a good night, man.